Hey there, CreativeSarah here, and I have another project for you. Today we're going to use some Storm chalk paste, our teacups, and these cute little mini box frames, and of course some of our au naturel gel stain. So I'm just going to rub it on the outside of these little box frames to lighten it up a little bit, and that's going to dry pretty quickly. Now I'm just going to place my stencil in there and chalk using that multi-tool to get the image in there. I'm using the Storm chalk paste. You guys, if you want to get the supplies for this, you can go ahead and comment the word teacups, Teacups, all one word, and I will send you a message and it'll have two links. One link for the stencil, the chalk paste, and the other products I used, and one for those surfaces. These surfaces, the little mini squares, those are retired, and so I have them here at my house. You can get them through me, but not on the website. Everything else you can get on the website. So if you want to get this kit, comment teacups, and I will take care of that. I added a little bit of our Up in Smoke gel stain around the edge just to give it that oomph, and then I added a ribbon, and I punched the holes out using our Power Punch. If you love this and you want to see more, comment VIP to join my free group. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and follow my page for more decor.